Hi, my name is Daniel Boudreau. Today we're going to be going over the Avocado Green Standard and Pillowtop models. They both feature 100% natural latex, a natural wool fire barrier, and a comfort layer, certified organic cotton cover, and a zoned pocketed layer. The Avocado Green is 100% natural and doesn't contain any polyurethane or toxic chemicals. It also doesn't have any chemical fire retardants that could harm your health in the long term. It is made in the USA in California, and it ships directly to your home, to your doorstep within the lower 48 states. So let's get right into the specifications. Let's go. So I'm going to start with the Avocado Green Standard model. The total thickness is 11 inches. So from top to bottom we have a certified organic cover, natural New Zealand wool, a 100% natural hydrated silica fire barrier, a 2-inch medium firm Dunlop latex layer, and all of that rests on an 8-inch 3-zone coil layer. It also has a 100% natural hydrated silica fire barrier on the bottom, also to protect the bottom of the mattress in case of exposure to flame. So now let's go over the Pillowtop version. The only difference is that the thickness is 13 inches instead of 11, and it has an extra 2-inch foam latex layer, a comfort layer in the Pillowtop for added plush feel to the mattress. This is perfect for side sleepers or people that love to have a plusher, slightly softer mattress. So the Avocado Green is a hybrid mattress, which means that it combines the foam latex layer with a coil layer to provide amazing comfort and feel. So whenever you hear the word hybrid, it means a hybrid between coils and latex foam, generally, when we're talking about natural latex mattresses. The coil layer is made of high quality coils that are provided from the Leggett and Platt company. On the king size model, there's actually 1,414 coils. So that is a great number of coils for that pinpoint support to relieve pressure. If you happen to be sleeping on your side, that's an excellent way to relieve the pressure so you won't feel sore when you wake up. The coils are individually wrapped to promote airflow, support, and spinal alignment. The center section features 17 gauge coils, and they provide more pressure relief for the hips and shoulders, while the two outer thirds are 14 gauge coils. They have a larger diameter, so they're a bit firmer, so that the lighter parts of your body will have that support while the heavier parts of your body will have more pressure relief. So the perimeter of the Avocado Green has 16 gauge coils, and they provide exceptional support and prevent the feeling of rolling off if you get too close to the edge of the bed. In terms of durability, the Avocado Green mattress will generally outlast any polyurethane mattress because the materials that are used are very resilient. We're talking about the natural wool, we're talking about the natural latex, which has a much longer lifespan than polyurethane foam, which after a while, when it gets compressed over and over again, it starts to not be able to regain its original shape, whereas natural latex will always go back to its original shape. It feels a bit bouncier than polyurethane foam, but once you get used to it after a month or two, you'll get used to the feel. So typically the natural latex foam outlasts polyurethane foam by at least 5 years. So let's talk about the firmness rating for the Avocado Green mattress. For the standard model, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the firmest, the Avocado Green rates in at 7, which is a bit on the firmer side, so that's perfect for back and stomach sleepers. Back and stomach sleepers have more of their body weight spread out, so they don't need as much pressure relief as people sleeping on their sides, or people that have all-around sleeping style. The Pillowtop firmness is a rating of 6 out of 10, so that's a slightly more luxurious and buoyant and a plusher feel, but not too plush. You won't feel like you're sinking into it. So mattresses that are too soft can actually cause back and neck problems. So the Pillowtop is perfect for side sleepers and for those that like a softer feel. Both the Avocado Green Standard and the Pillowtop model come with a 100-night sleep trial, so you have plenty of time to find out if it's a great fit for you. And if it's not, just call them up or send them an email and they'll arrange for you to send back the mattress. Just make sure you give it enough time. I would recommend at least a month, if not a month and a half. You have 100 days, so that's a little over 3 months to decide if it's for you. If you want some or other choices in the natural mattress realm, head over to my site, naturalmattressfinder.com. I'll leave a link below where you can get access to a comparison chart and find out all the natural mattress offerings that are available. And most of them have at least a 90-night all the way to 120 nights of trials, so you can really test it out and find out if it's the right investment for you. So let's talk about motion transfer. This is important if you sleep with a partner. You don't want them to wake up if you shift positions. You want your partner to be in a good mood in the morning, and your mattress can have a direct impact on that. So the motion transfer is attenuated in this case thanks to the 3-zone pocketed coil system. It attenuates the motion transfer. So if you sleep with a partner that's changing sleeping positions or tossing and turning, it's unlikely that you'll wake them up because the motion is just stopped. The latex does a great job in attenuating the motion, and the coils, since they're individually pocketed and not a bunch of springs interlinked, once somebody shifts, that bounce doesn't transfer all the way to the other side of the bed. Picture like a waterbed. If somebody moves on one side, the other person starts feeling the waves. That's not the case with the Avocado Green mattress because of thanks to the coil system. So I'd like to touch on a couple points regarding any chemicals or off-gassing regarding the Avocado Green mattress. The Avocado Green, the foam layer is all latex. It's all natural latex, so there's no polyurethane within the mattress or any chemicals or dyes or glues, anything that could cause off-gassing, making like toxic smells, and can potentially give you all kinds of health problems in the long term. So you've probably seen many polyurethane mattresses on the market today. Companies like Casper or Bear mattresses, there's a whole bunch. The polyurethane is a highly flammable material, so this material needs to be treated with chemical fire retardants in order to make it resistant enough to an open flame so that it passes the flammability requirements established by UL, which is the Underwriters Laboratories. Basically, the test is an open flame. I believe it's a 2-foot wide open flame, so that's a huge barrage of flame on the mattress to see if it's flammable or not. So there's a lot of chemicals that need to be applied to polyurethane mattresses to make them flame resistant. And with these chemicals, they are quite dangerous to the human body, and that's why it's wise to seek out a natural alternative that uses natural materials like hydrated silica and the wool, in the case of the Avocado Green mattress. So many people wonder about the ventilation properties of a mattress. Some people that have a higher temperature when they sleep really need a mattress that is well ventilated, that's able to evacuate heat from the body, because the excess heat while you're sleeping can cause discomfort and could cause you to lose sleep, which is what you definitely don't want. So thanks to the materials in the Avocado Green Standard and Pillowtop, the materials are naturally wicking and have open cell structure, meaning that they can vacate excess heat away from your body. The cell structure of the Dunlop latex is much larger than memory foam and polyurethane foam. So therefore it can effectively vacate excess or ventilate rather excess heat away from your body. And also the wool layer naturally wicks away heat and moisture. So the coil layer also aids in optimizing air circulation and ventilation, as it contains many pockets where air can circulate. Let's talk about third-party certifications for the Avocado Green mattress. It's important to have third-party certifications because there are many companies out there that call their latex layer natural latex, but it's actually sometimes blended foam. It's mostly a synthetic foam with a small percentage of latex foam, natural latex foam that is. The Avocado Green mattress is certified by GreenGuard Gold, which ensures that the mattress meets the strictest emission standards for exposure and pollutants. The Gold certification screens products for VOCs, formaldehyde, and phthalates. The latex layer is certified by Eco Institute. This certification screens latex materials for an extensive list of chemicals, including formaldehyde, VOCs, heavy metals, pesticides, phthalates, and other potentially harmful chemicals. The wool is certified by OECO-TEX. This means that the wool is free of allergenic dyes, chlorinated phenols, pesticides, heavy metals, and formaldehyde. The cotton cover, or ticking in the mattress jargon, is certified by Global Organic Textile Standard, or GOTS for short. It's sourced in India from a facility powered by windmills. It's called the Binari Aman Spinning Mills. So the Avocado Green Standard and Pillowtop models are available exclusively through the Avocado Green website. You have a full 100 nights, as I mentioned before, to try out the Avocado Green mattress to decide if it's a right fit for you. Based on the reviews of this mattress, people really love it. But if you want to return it, you can receive a full refund for your mattress. Avocado Green will arrange for the pickup of the mattress, and it's a risk-free purchase with no restocking fee. This mattress is delivered for free within the lower 48 states. The mattress is compressed and rolled up into a box and delivered straight to your door. The rolling up and boxing of the mattress doesn't damage it, and it regains its shape within an hour after unboxing. So the Avocado Green mattress is also covered by a 25-year limited warranty, and this protects you against any manufacturer's defects in the material or the workmanship for 25 years. This is one of the best manufacturer's warranties in the business. So in conclusion, when you're choosing a new mattress, the two most important factors are the size and the firmness. The mattress has to provide adequate pressure relief for your sleeping style. So for back, stomach, and all-around sleepers, the Avocado Green standard model is a really good choice. The Pillowtop version is best for side sleepers or for those who prefer a softer feel. So a lot of people are becoming more aware of the health hazards in the home environment. So if you want to protect your health and minimize your exposure to fire retardants, adhesives, and petrochemicals that off-gas into your bedroom, the Avocado Green mattress is a great choice. If you decide to go with the Avocado Green mattress, you're not only keeping your bedroom free of chemicals, but you're also helping to support renewable industries on a global scale. Every order of the Avocado Green mattress helps support small-scale cotton, wool, and latex producers, and also provides socio-economic benefits for regions where natural materials are harvested. So some of the common questions that arise in regards to the Avocado Green mattress is if the foam layers are Dunlop or Talalay. So there are two processing methods in the 100% natural latex foam. Both processes start the same. The sap is harvested from the rubber tree. The Latin name is Hevea brasiliensis, and it's brought to a processing plant in a cistern truck. Then the sap is made into foam using one of two processes. This is where you get a different result. So the Talalay process requires more steps and chemical additives than the Dunlop process. It also is slightly less durable than the Dunlop foam, and the Dunlop foam is simpler and more energy efficient to create. So this is why Avocado Green chose the Dunlop foam instead of the Talalay foam for the standard and Pillowtop models. Here's some comments about what people are saying about their experience with the Avocado Green mattress. This is paraphrased from the Avocado website. So Christy K writes, "It's been nearly a month since we've been sleeping on our Avocado Green standard. It turns out to be perfect for my husband and I. After trying out 2 other mattresses from other companies and returning them, the 2 other mattresses that we tried out were memory foam latex hybrids and were sagging within 6 weeks. Through later research, I found out that it's not uncommon for memory foam to sag within 3 years. The Avocado has been fabulous for us, giving us the rejuvenating sleep after surfing, yoga, and mountain biking. It offers a firm sleep surface, yet it is soft enough for side sleeping. And there's no off-gassing, no smell whatsoever, even when new." And Sharon G writes, "I was hesitating to buy a mattress online without being able to see it first. Even after hundreds of hours of research, I was still undecided. My instinct was telling me to go with Avocado, which is what I did. My husband and I have been enjoying a royal sleep since we got the Avocado, and we didn't notice any off-gassing odors, even when new. The buying experience was extraordinary, and the staff at Avocado answered all my questions about the mattress. And believe me, there were many. If you're buying a new mattress, I would suggest Avocado. Keep them at the top of your list." So there you go. I hope that gives you some insights about the Avocado Green mattress, the standard version, the 11-inch thick standard version, and the 13-inch Pillowtop version. If you want to compare this mattress against most of the other online offerings in the natural mattress space, head over to my website. I'll leave a link below. It's a master comparison chart where you can compare all the specs about the natural mattresses. We're talking about sizing, thickness, certifications, returns, shipping, all of that. It's all on my chart. So head down to the link below. It's in the description. I hope you have a fantastic day. My name is Daniel Boudreau, and please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this mattress, leave them in the comments. I answer all the questions, and I love reading comments. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video.